Hi, and welcome to a JINS&VICO helpful video guide. This video is about how to replace a bad motor from your watch winder. The model we have here is a JINS&VICO watch winder with a piano finish and carbon fiber exterior. It has 4 motors and can wind 8 watches. As you can see, there are 4 motors, but the first one is not working, so we have to take it out and replace it with a new one. First, turn off the power switch. Then unplug the power adapter cord. Remove all accessories in your watch winder. This includes watches and watch pillows. In the middle of each watch holder there's a hidden screw, which is underneath the thin black mat. Carefully pull back the black mat with your screwdriver. You may need pliers to carefully remove the screw. You should have 4 screws in total removed from the 4 watch holders. Then remove all 4 watch holders by pulling and wiggling it out. The version of this watch winder model has 4 screws that are hidden underneath the watch holders. Apply pressure onto the screw when taking it out. Another version of this watch winder model has the same screws, but they are located next to each of the winders. They are hidden underneath this circular cover as seen in the video. This is the only difference between the 2 versions of the same watch winder model. Remove all 4 black circle covers. Then remove all 4 screws that are underneath them. Make sure to apply pressure into the screw when taking them out. Take out some pliers and carefully tug and pull on the metal parts that you see inside the watch winder. By doing this, we will be able to find the motors inside. Be careful not to damage the LED light that's at the top part of the watch winder. Please note that this is motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, and motor 4. This should be motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, and motor 4. Inside you should see a circuit board with 8 slots. This is slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6, slot 7, and slot 8. The cord of motor 1 should be connected to slot 2. The cord of motor 2 should be connected to slot 4. The cord of motor 3 should be connected to slot 6. And the cord of motor 4 should be connected to slot 8. Remove the 2 screws from the bad motor. And remove its cord from its slot. Replace with a new motor. Use 2 screws to place it in. Connect the motor cord into the appropriate slot. In this video, we are replacing motor 1, so the cord should go in slot 2. The little protrusion on the cord head should be facing up when inserting into the slot. Press into the head so that it's securely into the slot. Make sure not to damage the LED lights above when putting back the board. Start by putting the top part of the board in first. Use your hands to press in and adjust the board back evenly into the watch winder. Put all 4 screws back in. Then put all 4 watch holders back in. Then all 4 screws back in the watch holders. Then put back the round black covers over the screws. If you don't have this version watch winder model, then skip this step. Then cover the screw that's in the middle of the watch holder with the black cover mats. The black mats look different depending on the version of watch winder you have. Then plug in your power adapter cord and turn on the power switch. Now all 4 winders should be working properly. Thank you for watching.